Wasabis, this is Jirbie from Couchwasabi. In today's video, I will be sharing with you how to make your own clarifying facial wash. If this is something that you would want to see, please keep watching. Okay, so basically this recipe is especially for people who has acne-prone skin. I'm not sure if you've noticed, but I've been experiencing some cystic acne or hormonal acne in the past 2 to 3 months. It's usually up here on my forehead and right down here on my left cheek. It's just here on my left cheek. Hindi ko alam kung bakit ganun. But I finally figured out an effective way to manage my hormonal acne. So for today, I will be sharing it with you and I'm very excited because it only needs simple recipes. So here are the things that you would need. Firstly, you will need a metal soap pump container or a glass soap pump container. I would suggest for you to get the metal one because you will be using it in the bathroom, so you avoid the slippery situation and you might break your glass and you might cause further accidents. So I suggest you getting a metal soap pump container. You will be needing, of course, your liquid castile soap. I get mine from Casa de Lorenzo. This one is their peppermint cleansing castile soap. I normally have my container refilled so I get further discounts. So if you want to get more discounts and savings from Casa de Lorenzo, just bring your own bottle and then they will be giving you discount for every refill that you make. You will also be needing your raw honey. And for today's essential oils, you will be needing your tea tree oil, of course. For today, I will be using Young Living's tea tree oil. You will need your rosemary oil. And of course, your geranium oil. Geranium helps balance your hormones. It's really very effective if you are one of those who are experiencing hormonal acne like me. Alright, so let's start mixing them together. First, you will get your container. Just remove the lid and pour in your liquid castile soap. This is a 250 ml container and this is a 200 ml container. So I will just be pouring in half from this container and then put in all the oils and honey before I put in the other half. So for today, I decided to use this peppermint liquid castile soap because peppermint is also great for inflamed skin. It soothes inflammation, as well as lavender, so you can also use lavender. I pretty much put in like a third, so that would be okay. Then for a 250 ml container, you just have to put a total of 30 to 40 drops of your choice of essential oils. So for today, I'll be using 3 essential oils. I'll be putting in 10 drops of each to make a 30. But you can also put up to 40 drops in total. So first, we will put in my tea tree oil, the 10 drops of that. This is your daily facial wash, so you should keep it up to 1 to 4%. Next, I will be putting in my rosemary essential oil, 10 drops of that also. Alright. And finally, I will be putting in my geranium oil. Your tea tree oil and your rosemary oil are both antibacterial, so it really helps those acne. And tea tree oil helps preserve the product. So it's really good that you put in your tea tree oil in your DIY facial wash. The last oil, geranium bourbon, this is the one that would help you balance your hormones. It helps acne-prone skin. So this is also an amazing oil to add. 10 drops of that. And then you put in 1 teaspoon of honey. This is a quarter teaspoon, so 4 spoons of this. Fill the rest of the bottle with your liquid castile soap. Okay, so after filling it completely with your liquid castile soap, don't fill it up to the brim, just fill it up to here. So there's a little space for you to shake the mixture. With this recipe, you don't really have to put in water. I prefer not adding water because water normally shortens the lifespan of your product. So I don't really recommend adding water anymore. I like putting in pure liquid castile soap and add my oils and add my honey, and that's it. You can shake it so that the mixture would blend well together, but every time you use it, you don't really have to shake it anymore. So it's pretty much mixed well because your oils will pretty much mix in with your liquid castile soap well anyways. Alright. So I normally use this every time I have to wash my face. It's really clarifying. 2-3 weeks ago, you would see that I would have so many acne up here on my forehead, but now it's pretty much gone. No traces of it. I have a little something right down here, but it's slowly fading away. If you've seen this last week, it was really aggressive. It was really matambok and galit na galit. But now it's pretty much died down, calmed down. So I would say this is an effective anti-acne facial wash. It's a clarifying facial wash. You have lots of these amazing properties from the oils, from the honey that you can put in and use in your everyday routine. So there you go. So let me just take a final whiff. It smells like something that you would use inside a spa. I think that's the rosemary and the geranium working in. Oh, it smells so good. And this is really effective in calming all those raging cystic acne or hormonal acne. It has been effective on my forehead. So you can try this at home and let me know through the comments below on how you find this recipe. Was it good for you? Did it help your skin? Or how you love or hate this recipe? I'd love to know. Anyway guys, I guess that's all for today. I hope you've enjoyed this video. Don't forget to hit thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. And don't forget to share this in your Facebook wall if you've enjoyed it so much. And I'll see you in my next video. Bye!